Welcome everyone to this video. Today, we'll learn how to control who can discover your LinkedIn profile using your phone number. This setting is important if you want to protect your privacy or manage how people can find you on LinkedIn. Let's begin the steps. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, select the visibility option from the menu. Now, scroll down until you find Profile Discovery using phone number. Tap on it to open the setting. Here, you will see three options to choose from: Nobody, Second-Degree Connections, or Everyone. If you want maximum privacy, select Nobody. If you prefer that only people connected through your network can find you, choose Second-Degree Connections. And if you're open to being found by anyone, select Everyone. Once you've made your choice, your preferences will be saved automatically. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.